How to fix Twitter X copy link option not working. So, the issue is when you tap on copy link on a post and nothing happens or the link does not copy. This can happen due to app box, permission, or outdated versions. So first of all, you can try easiest fix. You can simply close the X app completely and then reopen it. After that, you can simply try copying the link again. Now head back to your home screen and then open up your App Store. Just like that in the search bar, you can simply search for the X app and make sure it is updated. If not, tap onto it and just like that, if you see any update button, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version because old version often causes this issue. Now, after that, head back to your home screen and then open up settings. Inside settings, scroll below, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, search for the X application and then tap onto it. Now tap on Offload App, then tap on Offload App again. Just like that, once you have done it, you can simply tap on Reinstall application. This will clear your cache, but it will not delete your data. Now, if the copy link still does not work, you can simply tap on the share button. And just like that, you need to go and simply tap on share via and then send it to yourself like WhatsApp. This works as a workaround. If it's still not fixed, head back to your home screen, long press on the app, tap on remove app, then tap on delete app, and after that tap on delete again. Once deleted, you can simply reinstall it from the App Store. This fixes most bugs. That's it. One of these methods will definitely fix the issue. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.